Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Mi Note 10 Lite. This is with the after using for 48 hours. So I'm just gonna show you the screen on time and what are the applications I have used and always the battery backup. So this just initial impressions about the phone. So definitely, friends, after using the phone for the first one day itself, I can come into the conclusion that whether the phone has good battery backup or not because of my experience of using plenty of phones. So the first thing for me, the main priority is only the battery backup. So in the battery backup, I will make sure I'm saying close to accurate results every time I'm making a video. So definitely, if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, you can check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. So there you can find this kind of useful wallpapers. So don't forget to check out the videos which I uploaded recently on the Mi Note 10 Lite. And let me show you the battery statistics and the screen on time. And this is the screen on time from the initial of the unboxing of this video of this phone. So I did not charge the phone from the beginning of using this phone. So that means, so during this usage, I have did plenty of videos and test and Antutu benchmark and PUBG gameplay test as well. Everything, most of the videos which I have recorded on using this Mi Note 10 Lite is with this kind of battery. So in initial, I have got about I think 74% of the battery I got it out of the box. So from the 74, right now it's 4%. You can clearly see here. So right now it's 4%. So let me show you the screen on time. As you can see, the screen on time is around 7 hours and 41 minutes. And don't forget to follow me in the Instagram as well if you want to know the camera sample reviews as well. So that will be the very good opportunity for you to check the camera samples. And even in the Telegram, I'll be posting the few samples as well. So let me show you the statistics here. Even Google Play Store, I have downloaded plenty of applications. As I said, I did Antutu benchmark test, and even I used the share me application to transfer some videos and 4K, 8K video playback test, and so many videos I have recorded during this time. So I can say it's more than the medium usage during this time. So I did not use the 4G data most of the time, but only the Wi-Fi connection. And this above the medium usage, I can say, not with the gaming, but using with full brightness during recording of videos, and plenty of display comparisons I did with other phones during this time. So definitely, according to my experience, this phone can easily last 2 days of usage with the medium to heavy use. So that is very good for this phone. So even tomorrow I'll be using this phone as my daily user, and I'll be updating the battery backup review in the later night. I can guarantee that you can get screen on time about more than 7 hours. That is for sure. 7 hours to 10 hours is possible screen on time in the Mi Note 10 Lite. This is what my conclusion is. And definitely I'll be doing the YouTube battery and test, watching videos, PUBG battery and test, and plenty of other videos to be coming in the next couple of days. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and don't miss any videos. So every day night you can go through my video list because I'll be uploading more and more videos, so you won't get any notifications. So definitely go through my videos which I uploaded so you can get a clear idea. So thank you for watching this video. This is overall clarity I just want to give you everyone, that how is a battery backup and what can you expect from this phone. So definitely it's good, and you can expect more screen on time from this phone. So don't worry, I'll be updating next couple of days. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.